Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return through net banking, updated. Log into your bank's net banking and navigate to the Taxes or E-Services section to start filing immediately. Gather your PAN, Form 16 details, and bank account for refund routing before you begin the return entry. Follow on-screen prompts to select the form, declare income, claim deductions, preview the return, and submit with your net banking OTP. After starting the e-filing tool, choose the return form and confirm the assessment year shown on screen. Fill income details from Form 16, interest certificates, and other receipts, then apply eligible deductions under the right sections. Use the preview to check totals, TDS entries, and refund bank details so the data matches your records exactly. When everything looks correct, submit and approve the filing using the net banking OTP to complete the process securely. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful updates. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes home life easier with voice control and smart cleaning while you handle paperwork. It's a small time saver that pairs nicely with efficient online tasks like filing taxes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then stay tuned. Now let's get back to the video. Before final submission, always cross-check TDS, shown in Form 26 as with your Form 16, and other sources to ensure accurate tax credit. Confirm the refund account number and IFSC to prevent refund delays, and review personal details like name and PAN for exact matches. Take a screenshot or download the acknowledgement for your records after submission, and store it safely so you can track or rectify any issues without delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.